Welcome to our guide on home buying. Ever wondered what common mistakes people make when buying a house? In this video, we'll uncover the pitfalls that you should avoid during the home buying process. Let's dive into the common mistakes that can turn your dream home into a nightmare. Mistake number 1, not getting pre-approved for a mortgage. This can limit your options and delay your purchase. Mistake number 2, skipping the home inspection. This can lead to unexpected costs and issues down the line. Mistake number 3, not considering the total costs. Remember, it's not just the price of the house, but also taxes, insurance, and maintenance. Now that we know the problems, let's discuss the solutions. To avoid mistake 1, get pre-approved for a mortgage before you start house hunting. To avoid mistake 2, always get a home inspection. It can save you from future headaches. To avoid mistake 3, make a budget that includes all the costs associated with home ownership. In conclusion, buying a house is a big decision. Avoid these common mistakes to make your home buying experience a pleasant one.